Here's how we can take high resolution photos on POCO F7 Pro. So of course we're gonna go to the camera, and if you want to capture photos with the highest resolution possible, you have two main ways to do so. The first method is to simply use the 50 megapixels mode that we can find in the More section. This one allows you to capture the highest resolution possible if we are just talking strictly about the resolution itself. There are not much options to choose from over here, so there's nothing that you can mess up pretty much. So you can just take simple photos with this 50 megapixels mode. However, if you, for example, prefer to use the Pro mode, or if you wish to adjust your photo a little bit more with different parameters that are available before you use the shutter button, then of course in that case you can also use 50 megapixels mode. So we can open the camera options, and then over here we have Ultra HD 50 megapixels. This one is available in the Pro mode, but it is not available in the default photo mode. That's why we can use this one instead. Besides that, keep in mind that 3:4 aspect ratio also provides the highest resolution possible. So if you switch to anything else, you will get slightly lower resolution. Of course, besides that, you should take care of the proper lighting. Since we have these parameters, we can also use them for our advantage. Of course, at first they might be difficult to understand, but if you need a better explanation, you can either watch my other video where I quickly explain how to use the Pro mode, as well as we can use this eye icon in the top left corner of the camera preview in order to find the description of these features, so perhaps you can understand them a little bit better how they work. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!